Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to use light effects on your JBL PartyBox Encore. So let's get started. Let me show you the button first and then I'll show you how the light is changing. Cause you can see that it's really massive device and therefore the buttons and backlight simply won't fit into the frame. So right here on the top you'll find several buttons, but we need this special one with a light bulb icon. Now let's turn on the speaker and then test the light button. So press this button and the light will change with each press. There are rock, flow, cross, ripple, flash effects, and also you can turn them off. Just click until you find what you like the most. And also there is available a strobe light, but to enable it you're gonna need JBL PartyBox app, and it will be activated only while listening music. So you can try different lighting effects to find the one that works the best for your party, and also turn on the strobe along with the other effects for a more dynamic light show. And that was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.